Hey guys, it's Jen beautyriotx. What did I say? beautyriotx. It's Jen from beautyriotx, and Lou is in the background, so if the sound of children bother you, by all means leave now because the baby stays. And today we have another fun video courtesy of my friend Allie, who just loves to send me makeup to try, and I love her for it. So a while ago she sent me the CYO long lasting foundation. I think it's a brand that is sold through Walgreens, but it's not actually available at Walgreens unless you order it and it gets shipped to your Walgreens, if that makes sense. But she sent me this and I was floored at how good it was and how much I liked it, because it says the word Lifeproof on it. And the fact that it said Lifeproof, I automatically assumed it was going to be matte and heavy and cakey. No, it is like a satin, gorgeous, hydrating, beautiful foundation. Like, it blew my mind. She was curious about... You're in a basket, I love it! So she was curious about other things from the brand, so she went ahead and ordered me almost a full face of makeup. So let's open this and see what she sent. And as far as I know, I'm pretty sure nothing that she bought was over $7 or $8, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty good drugstore. So we have an eyeshadow palette. We have a shadow liner mascara. What? That's intriguing. We have a metallic eye stick. Oh, we have a orangey red looking lipstick. We have a blush. We have a loose powder, a highlighting concealer, a metallic eyeshadow, and a bronzing stick. All right, so this is all the stuff that I have to play with. I'm very excited. So obviously a few things I'll have to use out of my own collection, but that's all right. So I'm going to prime right now with the Milani eye primer, which is one of my favorites. All right, so now we are going to dive into the CYO eyeshadow palette in Rainbow Warrior. Ooh. Oh, it says 10 shades, 1 highlighter, 1 primer, hundreds of looks. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Oh, and it comes with a double-ended brush, which I probably could use for under my eye, but all right. Let's see if we can make something with this. Okay, so this is really pretty. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna be able to make with this, so luckily she did send me other things though. She sent me this stick and this metallic shadow. I can already tell you I'm probably not gonna use the 4 cream shades right here. And they only have 3 matte eyeshadows, and these look oddly the same. Is it just me? And she did say, she warned me, she's like, listen, she's like, I'm just warning you, I've seen things that don't look the same in person as they do online, so I'm sorry. But Allie, don't apologize, because you were sweet enough to send me all this stuff, so no apology needed, we're just gonna make it work. So we are going to go in and set our eyes with this bone color right here. So we're gonna go in with my SL Miss Glam SB68 brush. I got this from my Ipsy bag a while ago. It's become one of my favorite brushes. I can do a whole eye look just with this brush. It's awesome. Wow, this is so weird. These look identical, these look identical, and this looks identical to these. That is the weirdest thing. Is it just me? We're gonna try to make something out of this. So I'm gonna go in with one of the pink shades, and I guess we're gonna start with that. And it looks like I'm going to be using some satin metallic shades in my crease. And honestly, we're just gonna go right in with this brown metallic shade because I don't really know what else to do. All the shades are so light, I don't understand. Because we gotta put a little bit of depth here. Huh. Blend it out nice. Oh. Fast, smoky look. Now the shadows feel nice, they don't feel crappy or anything. The mattes feel nice and smooth, but there's just not, they're not colored enough, there's not enough pigment. This palette would probably be for someone who likes a very, very kind of easy, neutral eyeshadow look. We're gonna go in with this metallic, chubby pencil. Oh no! Oh, okay. This will be a good base. It's kind of sheer, but you know what? Let's fuck around with it anyway. All right, so I'm just gonna paint this on my lid, and I'm actually gonna top it with the actual metallic shadow that she sent too, because this is a little, again, too sheer for my taste and for my eyes, because I have hooded lids. This would actually be a good highlighting stick if it was lighter in color for me at least. I'm actually just really excited about this because I have a feeling this is gonna blow my mind. Look at that what is that called? Like a molding? I don't know what it's called, but anyway. We're just gonna put this all over. Here we go. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of that dark brown metallic shade that I use for my crease, and I'm gonna put it at the edge, kind of deepen that up a little bit. So me and Allie have an agreement that just because she's sending me things doesn't mean I have to love everything. Like she wants, my promise is, as it is to you guys always, to always be honest and not just be like, oh, this is nice, even though it sucks just because she sent it to me. Like I have to be completely honest, and I'm going to be. So the good thing about all of this, so far just for the eyes, the good thing about these 3 eye products so far is that all of them blended out beautifully. Like that didn't take long at all. Really creamy, very smooth and pigmented. Smooth, but not pigmented. Like the formula is really nice, but the colors just aren't great. And you know, let's swatch a few of the cream shades just to see. So they are covered by like plastic, which is good. Yeah, again, it's not horrible, it's just not a very pigmented palette. Like not the kind of palette you want if you need like heavy, pigmented, like rich, deep, in-your-face colors. And I don't mean like reds and blues. Like, this is just a very minimalistic, everyday, like if somebody who doesn't really wear makeup but they just want a palette, like everyday palette, this would be nice for you, but not really my cup of tea. All right, this I'm very intrigued by. It's like 3-in-1 thing. All right, so here we go with the shadow liner mascara thing. All right, so we have liner right here, a shimmer, oh, like a shimmer eyeshadow, which will be like a good, maybe inner corner shadow. It's loose powder though, so you have to be careful. And so this is the mascara. What a cool idea. Oh my God. Okay, this is so cool. This seems like stuff for on the go, if that makes sense. Easy everyday on the go stuff. All right, so let's get into foundation. I already know I love this. Let's get to it. I'm gonna put it on my metal palette. Oh, fuck. I spilled. Oh well. So again, she sent me this a while ago. She got one for herself and sent one to me, and we both loved it. Like, putting this on feels like you're putting on lotion. Like, it's really nice. It's more of like a medium kind of coverage, but it stays all day. I can't say how you'll feel if you have like crazy oily skin. I don't know how to react to that, but I have combo, more so dry, especially because it's winter. And this feels great on my skin, so. Foundation is done. Let's try this bronzing stick now. So she sent me medium dark. I told her just use her judgment because she said the light one looked really light. So let's see if this medium dark, oh, that's fine.
Jump right in and give this a try.
Did it shear away? Maybe I'll try just putting it on my beauty blender. I feel like I see a little bit of something. But you know when you stare at the same spot for a long time, you can't really tell if it's your eyes playing tricks on you? I don't know if I can see this or not. It's like if there is something there, but it's like really sheer. All right, let's try this on this side. I see a little bit more happening on this side. I don't know. But I also feel like in cases like this, when you keep smearing something on top of your foundation, eventually it's going to remove the foundation. So I don't want to keep at it to like put a stripe in. So I'm still not sure about that one. Oh shit. I do have, oh, this is a highlighting concealer. What am I doing? Okay. Oh, here we go. And the color is, doesn't say. Oh, this company is by Boots, like the drugstore in England, Boots. I had no idea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my hand. Looks like a good shade. She ordered me medium, I guess because the light might have looked too light. Like I usually don't go like crazy. All right, so this is the highlighting concealer, Brush with Brilliance, and it's the shade medium. And it's probably good because that medium kind of matched my foundation perfectly. And I'm sorry, this foundation shade that I have is 103. All right, so we also have a setting powder. So this is the fixing powder in clear, so I guess it's translucent. All right, so I'm going to go in with my fluffy Morphe brush. This is the E2. My camera was on fire. All right, so I just put the powder on, and I actually, what you guys missed was me smoking out my under eye with that kind of brown shimmer shade that I used to deepen the crease. The loose powder, I would probably recommend if you have oily skin and like a matte face. It just took a little bit away of that hydrating feeling from the foundation that I love so much. All right, and next up we are going to do the shadow, liner, and mascara. I'm gonna kind of do the inner corner with the shadow very, very carefully. All right, I'm gonna line with the liner, which is black. Oh, and I'm sorry, this is called Don't Kill My Vibe. That's what this trio is called. And I'm very excited to try the mascara. Now, let me just say this. I have horrible, horrible lashes. No mascara in the world will change that. Nothing will make them significantly longer, nothing will make them significantly fuller, so I don't hold much stock in any mascara, to be completely honest. I don't have much of an opinion when it comes to mascara, I guess you could say. I like the wand though, it's like one of the natural bristle wands. Kind of a dry formula, not particularly clumpy, and actually I kind of like the smallness of this. Do you ever find the mascara wands are just too big and bulky and you're like, how the fuck do I hold this thing? I think this is very cool. I'm actually gonna go look and see if they have more like different color ranges because I really like this concept. Let's curl my lashes real quick. Lou usually likes to count when I do this because normally I count out loud when I curl my lashes. Now on to my most exciting things. We have a blush and we have a very fun looking matte lipstick. So the blush is perfect. It's totally my color. Let's hope it has like a nice amount of pigment to build up. Louie, are you singing? Oh, that's beautiful. It has like a really pretty sheen. This is a beautiful blush. I'm normally pretty into like matte blushes. This isn't shimmery, but it has a sheen that kind of lets you do like without highlighter. Like that's beautiful. It gives you a little bit of life back into your into your cheeks. And this is the shade Tell It Straight. This is beautiful and it's going in my everyday makeup drawer. Oh, I love that. It has like a NARS orgasm-y kind of feel to it. And last but not least, this is the Stage Dive lipstick. I guess that's what the shade is, Stage Dive. Let's do a swatch. That is beautiful. Oh my God, I love this. And it feels like, it doesn't really go with this eye look, but it feels like chapstick. It is incredibly comfortable. This will also be going in my everyday makeup drawer. That feels great. Wow. Wow, Louis Vuitton. Can I have this? You're just making a huge mess. Yay. So that was it. What did you guys think? But probably my favorite things out of the whole bunch, I want to say, are the lipstick, the blush, and this metallic shadow. Like, so fun. Nothing was bad, but I feel like this is stuff probably geared towards someone who is like a minimalist when they do their makeup, or somebody who really does no makeup, like stuff like that. And it's very affordable, so you really can't be pissed about it either. So I mean, yeah, that was my full face of CYO. What'd you guys think? What products did you like? Or you plan on trying anything yourself? Let me know in the box below. And that was it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye guys.